everyone. Welcome to our latest renovation in Midtown East.
Let's take a moment to enjoy these beautiful views of the city.
I'm Nicole, the interior designer.
And I'm Sammy, the project manager. Let's take you on a tour on our newest renovation. We opened the kitchen to the living and dining area, adding counter seating as well. This allows for natural light to flow through the space and illuminate the kitchen. Witness a touch of modern aesthetics with our floor-to-ceiling frameless door, transcending boundaries while maintaining a captivating minimalist vibe that flows throughout into the master bedroom.
After having an all-white kitchen in their previous apartment, the client wanted to go for a wow factor. We nailed it with these bright orange, custom-made, ultra-high gloss cabinets, reflecting the client's unique taste while seamlessly meeting the storage needs. The minimal brushed nickel hardware and the dimensional white quartz counters complement the boldness beautifully. We removed the existing ceramic tile in the kitchen and replaced it with cork flooring. Cork is a natural, sustainable material that is also highly durable. We then stained the existing wood floors in the same tone as the cork. Both bathrooms were identical to start. We did a shower conversion in the primary bath and decided to add color here. The client wanted a serene space that contrasted the marble of her other bathroom. We used a few different shades and patterns of blue tiles throughout the bathroom to create a dynamic look. That was our tour. Thank you for watching.
We will see you next time. Start a new chapter with us.